for 30-some years I've been suffering
At least
with
10. Around
10 years.
About 5 years.
5 years.
About
Okay.
7 years now.
7 years.
7
Okay.
years.
Yeah. So what are your daily symptoms? I mean, how much pain?
Without medication, I stayed in pain constantly. It was about 7 or 8 every day without any medications. The nausea was horrible.
I started out having pain in my abdomen, and it would go to my back. And by 4, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, it was just really intense that I had to go to bed.
I would say I had a pretty regular pain every day of at least a 6, and bad days, 7 and 8s. And it hampered my ability to do anything. I would avoid activity so that I didn't trigger the pain.
Oh, recently, was that getting worse?
It was continuously getting worse, and we couldn't get the pain or the nausea, either one, under control.
But before it was, I couldn't wait till the next 4 hours to take another pain pill.
And you
Blocks did short-term benefits, and that they
One of them done 2 days.
2
The
days.
blocks were not successful at all.
Okay.
And I was on a lot of pain medications for that.
Yeah.
And the feeding tube was not very successful either.
Yeah.
So I chose to have that removed and went on IV therapy instead. And then I was still left with some abdominal pain that affected function.
Right.
So.
And then we did the trial. In the trial, how much relief you got?
After the 3rd day, it was like 85% relief.
The trial worked really well for pain, a lot.
Yeah.
I really noticed a big difference within it was in for about 8 or 9 days.
Yeah.
Very, very, very hopeful for that.
first thing I noticed, I knew the pain was down, but the first thing I noticed was the nausea was completely gone. I have not taken anything for nausea since we put that thing in. Nothing. And the pain stayed. It not only dropped to about a 1 or 2, it stayed. It didn't fluctuate, it didn't anything, it stayed.
Very nice.
And I didn't have to worry about it.
6 to 8 weeks to get really good pain control and find the right place. And then right around that point, found a level that really worked for the nausea.
After.
I can tell a world of difference.
Right.
Yes, the pain was like way above a 10, and now daily it's about a 3 or a 4.
Now, how long do you have that implant now? For how
It's
long?
been about 18 months.
18 months.
Yes, sir.
And you maintained this pain relief from the beginning?
Yes, sir.
So 1 year after the implant, did your pain relief change? Or
Oh no, it's
Okay.
better.
Yes, I'm able to get through the day without having to stop multiple times because of pain. The
Good.
pain is just gotten, it's much more bearable and tolerable.
how about the use? Did you decrease the use of your medications for pain?
Intensely, yes.
How many episodes you have now?
None.
None.
Hadn't had any.
Right. Well, phenomenal.
I've gotten much more life in my life now.
So it's been great. It's been I didn't think it was possible
Good.
to have this type of improvement, to be honest.
A whole new lease on life.